Hey guys, this is Alex from 4C Trading, and today we are actually in OMG Go Bitcoin, or should I say OMG BTC. Now, I know we haven't looked much OMG lately, right? I think we had like one trade at it like a long time ago, and I'm not even sure if that trade got filled or was it successful or whatnot, right? But looking at this chart today, I do think it was a kind of a weird structure, as you can see, right? It's a kind of a structure that you think that there might be some new spike in it, right? So yeah, I'm definitely, when I look something like this, I'm definitely asking myself what kind of news did they drop, right? And I'm not kind of the news kind of guy, not an FA kind of guy. I'm more like sticking to TA, so I'm gonna assume to myself that they have more of this coming, or should I say that the coin will bullishly continue on the Bitcoin, right? That would be my kind of fair guess, and now I'll actually see where the position is, to take the trade for us. So position located in this case right now would be around here. That would be the kind of a position that we would be looking at. The only trouble you're gonna get around here is gonna be with stop loss, and I imagine it's gonna be a little bit of wider one. Just let's see for first before I say anything how wide the stop loss is. Yes, it is about 18%. So in this case we have two options, right? I can see that there's the structure to take the trade is around here, right? So now the only thing we can actually do, right, is either we risk it and we put the stop loss right under here, which still leaves us with about 15%, but because the gap is so wide, it's hard to say where the trade is gonna end, right? So where the fill. So in this case, what I would normally do, I would take my buy area and make it a little bit wider, because we don't know where where the area of the trade is gonna take place. We do know it's gonna happen somewhere around here, but it's a wider one. So what's most likely probably gonna happen? You won't get a full fill. You will get like fill on the first buy or in the middle second buy, but the third buy probably won't get filled, and it would just continuate, right? So in this case, then I would place a stop a little bit more safer. Again, it would be it would still be 15%, but I did gain a couple of extra percentages from this candle down here, which makes it in these terms a lot safer, right? So the Bitcoin still hasn't broken 10,500, right? So it's been there, but it hasn't broken it, right? It's just tagged it by the wick. I do think that is still, important for us to have a healthy market, kind of get a confirmation a little bit for that bull to continuate, right? We are still taking trades because, essentially speaking, Ethereum boosted a lot lately. I think it went up for like $40, right? And surprisingly, Bitcoin didn't follow. So again, the logic behind Ethereum being a stronger one right now still follows through, as we mentioned in the last stream, right? So we'll still see how Ethereum does in the future, but definitely right as it stands right now, Bitcoin is falling behind, and we still haven't gotten that 10,500 for us to make this trade safe, right? There's another story right now. If Bitcoin is pumping, this can also move down, right? The price can also move down. And there's another story behind this, if you think about it, is if Bitcoin now goes above 10,500, blesses us with a little pump to 11K, this will probably then get filled perfectly for us to get a nice little reaction from it, right? So that would be logic. I don't really see a second scenario to all this trade here, due to the fact that, if we move all the way up here, I should say we move all the way up here, I wouldn't be taking another trade at it, because the structure for me, if it stands like it is right now, it just would be too ugly, right? The structures would be too ugly, and I wouldn't be taking a risk on a coin like this, right? Like I'm saying, OMG Go is not a bad coin at all, but there are plenty of better other plays where I would be feeling more safe in these current conditions, right? So yes, when I see a structure like this, yes, I do want it to continue, right? I do want it to continue its structure, but I'm not gonna go out of my way to get a bullish buy like this just for it continuation, right? Because it can easily just come up here and it can break down and still fill this spot, right? So I'm not gonna stretch myself for a trade like this when you open charts and you got plenty of other ones, right? It's absolutely fine to do an aggressive one here if you have some more information, but based on TA, I do think there are better plays out there that we can proceed on that manner, right? So yes, guys, if you're interested in more trades like this, or in general, how do we move stop losses, how do we get stop losses, just those traditional plays, join us at 4C community on Telegram. We talk about it regularly, right? We discuss all the trades, discuss all the possibilities, everything there. Also, if you wish to see more of this video, punch that subscribe button, right? Punch that bell button to get a notification on your main page. And yes, I guess we will be seeing each other in the new one.